Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and it's a great day here to announce this beautiful block of the month from Brenda Riddle called Hope Blooms. Brenda came out with this design a couple of years ago. She had a perfect collection. That's the one that's on the cover. We released that and people went crazy. That block of the month sold out, I think, in 2 days. Brenda's back with another collection. This is called Ellie. And of course, it fit perfectly into her design. So if you missed out from before and you remember that, this is your moment. This is your moment. Don't let it pass you by. And if you don't even know what I was talking about, maybe you're new to quilting, welcome to the amazing world of Block of the Month. I love Block of the Months. Why? I'm not getting this big chunk of fabric. I'm getting a portion of that I can manage and look forward to receiving a new shipment each month. So I think Block of the Months are awesome. And it's a nice economical way, right? To just average that cost over a long period of time. And in this case, 10 months. So you'll get a couple blocks each month. And of course, your last shipment will be including your borders, these amazing pre-fused laser cut scallops, all the appliques, pre-fused laser cut, your vines, of course, your leaves, the berries, your binding, your options for a quilt of this caliber. You deserve those. If you're going to do this much work, just get the backing when you sign up for your spot and grab your spot. Just get that. Limited quantities as always. And that is the 50 weight sulky thread set that we use to stitch those shapes down. Speaking of those shapes, you can see they're in a very specific orientation that's very important. Brenda did a great job with her diagrams here in her pattern. Using her diagrams in conjunction with a light box helps you get everything arranged just perfectly. And we like to oversize our blocks, so the fabric that's coming in your kit for your background will be bigger than you need. Don't cut it down. Just get it to a size that's a little bit bigger. Use your diagram, your light box, put all your shapes down, stitch it down with your 50 weight sulky thread set. Then you can come back with your creative grid and square that up to the perfect size. So once all of your blocks are done, they're just clicking together like a puzzle piece. It's just perfect. These are the other notions that we used to put together the project. We had a lot of fun doing it. We have a nice wide border on this quilt to be able to support all of the applique. For that reason, we chose the wider creative grid 8.5 by 24.5 inch ruler on that project. So these are really the two that we enjoy using. And the spinning mat, anytime we square up a block, we like just lock in that ruler, make a cut, rotate, make a cut. That way we're not having to lift the block as we square it. And other things you would expect, right? The patchwork pins, the rotary cutter, needles there. Tweezers were really helpful. We have a lot of small pieces. By the way, there are several hundred applique shapes in this. Can you imagine the time it would take you to cut, trace, and never cut as perfectly as what we get from a laser? You can just enjoy the fun. Let us do the heavy lifting of the work, getting everything prepared for you. Get your spot in this program. We don't know, you can imagine this is such a specific look. It needs the perfect collection that only comes now and again, actually every couple years. So get your spot in the Hope Blooms Block of the Month. Grab your backing while you're at it, your thread set, and any other notions you might need.